Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jyoti here. Today let's understand about back pain, which is a widespread issue affecting millions of people globally. It can range from mild discomfort to severe pain and may last for days, weeks, or even become a chronic issue. Let's understand the causes for the back pain. Back pain causes could be a muscle or ligament strain, herniated or bulging disc, degenerative disc disease, spinal stenosis, sciatica, osteoarthritis, scoliosis, or other abnormal spine curvatures. Infections or tumors, poor posture, and sedentary lifestyle causes the back pain. Let us understand the treatment options for the back pain. For the acute pain, taking a short break from strenuous activities can help reduce inflammation. Avoid activities that worsen pain, but try to stay active and perform gentle movements like walking to maintain mobility. Stretching and strengthening exercise will focus on improving the posture and strengthening the core muscles and improving flexibility to prevent the future back pain. Posture training, like learning how to sit, stand, and lift properly, can prevent further injury. Hot and cold therapy, like massage therapy, will also help deep tissue injuries. Deep tissue massage, just like targeted massage, can help release tension in the back, muscles, and improve circulation, reducing pain and promoting relaxation. Cold therapy, applying cold ice packs, can help reduce inflammation and numb the pain in the initial 48 hours after an injury. Heat therapy can help after the initial pain subsides. Heat can help relax muscles and improve blood flow, offering relief from stiffness. Lifestyle changes also is important. Now let us understand how to prevent the back pain. Maintaining a healthy weight, like extra weight, especially around the abdomen, could put pressure on the lower back. Exercise regularly, strengthen your core muscles, improve flexibility, and maintain overall fitness. Practice good posture. Keep your spine aligned when standing, sitting, or lifting. Avoid slouching. Use proper lifting techniques. Always bend your knees, not your back. When lifting heavy weight, stretching exercise, stretch regularly, especially after sitting or standing for long periods. Stretching can help keep your muscles flexible and reduce strain. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise causes low impact activities and like walking, swimming, or cycling, which can help you improve spine health. Ensure your workstation, chair, and computer setup are ergonomically designed to support good posture. Let's understand the role of homeopathy for back pain. Homeopathy remedies work by stimulating the body's vital force to restore balance and alleviate pain. Common remedies for back pain, like Restox for stiffness and pain that worsen with rest and improves with movement. Arnica montana, useful after injury or trauma to reduce pain and swelling. Bryony alba helps with pain that worsens with movement and improves with rest. Calcarea floor for back pain with a feeling of tightness or stiffness. Hypericum perforatum, it helps with nerve pain, particularly if there is shooting pain or injury to nerve rich areas like the tailbone. Magnesia phosphorica for sharp cramp like pain in the lower back, often relieving with heat or pressure. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on natural ways to manage pain and improve your health. And if you're dealing with back pain, drop a comment below sharing your experience or any questions you might have. I would love to hear from you. Stay healthy and remember, your back health is worth the investment. Thank you.